Yay! Today is this beautiful morning. People gather together and run a marathon around the county, around 8 kilometers. So it's very nice activity. So people gather all together and run and stop by different pit stops and eat delicious food from around the county. And people share food and share emotions and feelings and share the products, local products. It's very nice and I'm very happy to meet Taiwan people and have a chance to try delicious local food. Thank you so much.